Baik, langsung saja kita saksikan bersama penampilan dari kelas 2 MA Putri melawan kelas 2 MA Putra dengan mosi pendekatan The Existence, the Criteria of Leadership in the Yellow. Memasuki sesi 1, pembicara 1 dari kubu pro memperkenalkan diri dan mengutarakan pendapatnya terkait alasan menyetujui tema kajian yang dibahas selama 3 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Azalda as the first speaker, and she is my friend Benazir Arpelia as the second speaker, and Belani as the third speaker. We are the delegation of second grade senior high school girl. It is time we would like to deliver our recommendation that we agree with the criteria of leader based on this classical book. Why? Because looking at the information that contained in Islamic classical book, it is stated in Al-Mawardi's opinion, Al-Ahkam As-Sultaniyah, it states that a leader must have approach, insight, courageous, be fair, and etc. And the existence of these criteria certainly will make us easy to choose the best leader that certainly can lead this country well. Well, if we only assume a general problem without any specific handle of leadership, of course, we will never know what shortcomings that may be very influential in the change of our country. So it be a certain decision that we are indeed need the criteria of leader based on Islamic classical book. Thank you.
Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 1 dari kubu kontra memperkenalkan diri dan mengutarakan pendapatnya terkait alasan menolak tema kajian yang dibahas selama 3 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency Ustazah Nuzul Rahmah, Excellency of judges this competition. Okay, let me introduce myself. We are from the second Islamic school. We are from the Pautan team. Name is Faraz as first speaker, and it's my friend Eric as second speaker, and it's my friend Fadil as third speaker. We will deliver our comment about the criteria of the particulars book. If you are disagree with the criteria of the particulars book, because as we know, in the book of Al-Mawardi, the leader must have a courageousness. Whereas nowadays we can get courageousness. If they agree with the rank of the status of the courageousness, that is correct and leader. Because the system democracy in Indonesia is democracy is monarchy, but whereas democratic is election division. Thank you.
Baik, selanjutnya pembicara 2 dari kubu pro memberikan tambahan penjelasan untuk memperkuat pendapat pembicara 1 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
I'm a single speaker and I'm going to introduce my recommendation that I agree with the decision on criteria of a leader based on the Islamic classical book because we're kind of a liar. The criteria in Islamic classical book that included all the criteria and needed in the leadership. Moreover, when we look back, especially in the 14th century, the political development of two great Islamic dynasty that was a very rapid and throughout in the world. That's because they believe the selection of a leader based on the Islamic classical book. So we can acquire if a criteria of a leader based on the Islamic classical book that's important in advancing of our country. Thank you.
Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 2 dari kubu kontra memberikan tambahan penjelasan untuk memperkuat pendapat pembicara 1 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm the second speaker. I want to answer what the first speaker has said. If I disagree with the selection of leader based on the criteria stated in the classical book, because the classical book states that the leader must be physically fit and not disabled. This is certainly not a limitation of leader, because in fact there are many leaders who are disabled but can still lead the country. For example, Abraham Lincoln, the 16th American president, who are experienced disabled to paralyze him. He has even went to Marfan syndrome, and now, if that comprehensive, however,
Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 3 dari Ibu Pro memberikan tambahan penjelasan dan kesimpulan atas pendapat pembicara 1 dan pembicara 2 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Alright, thank you for all of your argumentation. And now I confirm one of my first statement that I agree with the existence of leadership criteria based on the perspective of Islamic classical book. Why? Because in addition to covering criteria that are regularly needed by leaders, the criteria which stated on classical book, if examined more deeply, can indeed be stepping stone for our country to move forward. Why? Because the authors of this classical book lived during a great political development in their country, like Al-Mawardi and Al-Ghazali, who lived during a great dynasty of Abbasiyah. Of course, they also know how to choose a great leader who can bring about big change in their country. And if this is applied in Indonesia, it is possible that our country will develop even more. That way, I emphasize that we need to agree with the existence of leadership criteria based on the perspective of Islamic classical book. Thank you.
Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 3 dari kubu kontra memberikan tambahan penjelasan dan kesimpulan atas pendapat pembicara 1 dan pembicara 2 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm a third speaker. I want to know the first and the second speaker have said, if I don't agree with the criteria of Islamic classical book, if we turn Islamic classical book, there are several authors such as Al-Mawardi, Ibn Khaldun, and Al-Ghazali mentioned about the Quraysh lineage. But if we look for the Quraysh lineage in this country of Indonesia, it's very difficult. So my solution about this case, we can to use there are many. We can to look for the leader from the Quraysh. Thank you.
Baik, memasuki sesi 2, yakni kubu pro dipersilakan untuk menyampaikan tambahan uraian tentang kajian yang disetujui selama 3 menit dan kubu kontra diperkenankan untuk melakukan instruksi. Waktu untuk tim pro dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, thank you. Now it's my turn to strengthen our argumentation before. Well, it is precisely the change in times and human beings that strongly encourage why I agree with the creator of leader based on Islamic classical book. Now we look in the present era. It is very different with the past. It can be worse, right? And as my friend has said earlier, that in 14 centuries, the politics of the two great dynasties has developed very rapidly with a leader based on Islamic classical book. So we look at our era, there are many conflicts due to the lack of understanding for the aspect of the creator of leader based on Islamic classical book. So suppose we can change our culture as in 14th century that have developed culture, developed politics. So of course this nation will be more advanced, right? Okay? Alright, your second speaker, wait a moment, it's my time. Your second speaker was saying before that there are many leaders who can continue to lead with disabled leaders, right? Is that true? Second speaker, have you spoken before?
Yes.
Yes. So, yes, if you look at durability, there may be some leaders who can continue to lead with disabled leaders, like Abraham Lincoln, Clinton, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and etc. But it doesn't mean that they can work optimally, right? They can work optimally. So, how can you say that with that argument, we emphasize that being healthy for a leader is very important.
Okay, I want to raise my friend recommendation that
Option please.
wait a moment. I want to raise my friend recommendation that if you say healthy is not important for a leader, then a leader does not position, wait a moment. A leader does not position, but a leader are a great responsibility. Yes.
What do you say? What you say last time? Yes. Repeat again. Can you say what you say?
Healthy is not important for leader, you said that, right? But I mean, healthy is important for a leader because the leader.
Please give me explain for the leader that healthy leader. Please give me.
Alright.
Give me.
If you look at Lexi singularly, like Gus Dur, he was deposed because he suffered from a blind disability. And then he had to be guided to attend every event. Of course, this is very innovative, right? Which initially the country will develop, wait a moment, which initially the country will develop 100% and then just become 70% because of disability. That way, we emphasize that being healthy for a leader is very important. Thank you. Yes.
If you see if Gus Dur.
Yes.
But the real fact of history is not like that. A history of crisis, political. That was not, he's not Gus Dur down. Because it's not of December. But because political in 2005 in the falls, there's 5 presidents, he's down Gus Dur. That's not political process, not December. I'm sorry, your fact is wrong.
Okay, but in reality, he had to be guided to attend every event. So this is very innovative for the development of the country. So yes.
Please slow down, I can't do it.
Okay, but in reality, he had to be guided to attend every event. So of course, this is very innovative.
Waktu habis. Selanjutnya, kubu kontra dipersilahkan untuk menyampaikan tambahan uraian tentang kajian yang disetujui selama 3 menit dan kubu pro diperkenankan untuk melakukan interupsi. Baik, untuk kubu kontra, waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, I will start my first argument. If I screen with the draft letter copy the book, because if we are just use improvement of the classical book to select a leader, that will discriminate non-Muslim who want to become a leader. Because in the classical book, Al-Mawardi is saying that a leader must understand of the Islamic learning. But in Indonesia, there are many who not Islam religion but have capable and worthy to be a leader.
Nutrition.
Mama, this is my mom. That not only what the writer in the classic book can be the practitioner in Indonesia because it also is democratic. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm saying it's more important. Okay, I'm saying it's now strengthen with the first speaker have said if this a good installation of leader plus on the state in the classical book. Because in one of speech of Sukarno, he said, if you be Muslim, don't be Arabian. If you be Hindustan, don't be Indian. If you be Hindu, don't be Indian. Not if you be a Christian, don't be Jews. How about that? And this certainly Sukarno said. Not Sukarno said that our is Indonesian, not Arabian. You know where Satu is from? We're from Arabian. And he said, if you be in Islam, don't be in Arabian. But Islamic, Indonesian, Islamic. Thank you.
Okay, now suppose you choose a leader that can understand about the Islamic religion and they made a decision that are contrary to the problems that apply with the Muslim community. They only looking at from the perspective of his own religion, such as in the past there was an alibi. In the past there was an alibi of banning hijab for female, with an alibi for proposing a social equality. Of course, this cannot be justified. Tolerance is necessary, but don't let tolerance exceed our piety. Thank you.
Okay, if you say like that, what is your solution about this case? Please give me your solution about this case. Thank you.
Okay, let me tell you. As you know, in our country, that's the majority of Muslims, and of course, if we have a leader leader who understands with Islam, that can more flexible what the minority needed. And when there are some different religion, of course, Islam so what is the tolerance, how to respond to non-Muslim. And if you choose a leader who
Waktu habis. Selanjutnya, waktu kami berikan kepada kubu kontra untuk melanjutkan pendapatnya.
Okay, I have to listen to comment about the little version of the North English book. I think you still not understand what the Democratic of Indonesia, because how about the students in the Indonesia that not Muslim but capable and worthy to return. For example of Ahok, he is governor of the Jakarta. How about that?
Excuse me, but can you, pardon me, can you repeat your argumentation before? Tell please, please.
How about the non-Muslim in Indonesia that is capable and worthy to be a leader? For example, is Ahok. He is governor of the Jakarta. How about that?
Okay, thank you, but now the problem is when they make a decision that are contrary with the Muslim population. I know that maybe very many people that can lead well, but now the problem is about our Muslim community that can be started Sharia if the leader made some decisions that are contrary with the Muslim population. Thank you.
I still not agree with your argument because in Indonesia there are five principal Pancasila. Then if you select it, why
Baik, waktu habis. Selesai sudah penampilan